Um, and if you don't know what they're talking about, the Wikipedia pages, I mean, you could get like Home Edition. Like that's all you really need. Um, Home Premium is fine, really. And the thing about Windows XP mode is it's a very, very, very crippled virtual machine, pretty much. VirtualBox has integration mode as well, so you could use it just as well as Windows XP mode. And Windows XP mode is capped at 512 megabytes of RAM. I don't like that. I usually like having 1 gigabyte of RAM in a Windows XP virtual machine. That's only to say if I have enough RAM in the machine, like more than 2. The computer I'm running currently that I'm recording this video on is Windows Vista Home Premium. I know. But Vista is actually pretty okay now that Service Pack 2 and the platform update and a bunch of other things have been released. It's actually fairly good now. It's not perfect, it still has some bloat to it, but it's pretty okay, I'd say. But compared to Windows Vista Service Pack 0, oh my god, it's so much better. All the hardware I need to works fine. You know, this camera works fine, my printer works fine, games run fine, you know. Things just run okay, and I'm using ReadyBoost as well, so... And that's why I have Vista on this computer, so I can use ReadyBoost, because XP doesn't have that. You can't, I mean, you know, ReadyBoost gives you extra swap space. It doesn't give you more RAM, it gives you extra swap. It gives Windows a place to put small swap files on that it accesses frequently. But yeah, I think the confusion between different versions is a real problem, and I think they're taking a step in the right direction with Windows 7, but I don't think it's quite there yet. I think what needs to happen with Windows is feature variability. You can do that with Linux. You can install features that you need, and you can take them out. You take out the ones you don't need. That's one thing that's very nice about Linux. You can customize it very well. And the same goes with some Unix OSs, like FreeBSD. FreeBSD you have to build from scratch, pretty much. So, you know. Mac OS X, I think, is the future of how this marketing should be. I mean, they have 2 distinctive versions. The desktop version of Mac OS X and the server version of Mac OS X. That's it! That's all they need! That's all anybody needs! Just a desktop version and a server version. That's it. I mean, I wish it was still that simple. It should be, but it isn't. And, you know, I hope that it gets figured out at some point. And, you know, I just felt I had to talk about it for a while. I had to get this point across, you know. So, that's all I have to say on it. So, have a good one, everybody. Ciao.